Our first evaluator, who will evaluate the table topics. He is the presiding officer of Desert Diamond and the vice president of public relations in Desert Diamond. And he is also a member in Sand Dunes. So let's all welcome Team Mohammad Al-Gahtani.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening. Good evening.
I am not that keen in evaluation. I'm just a beginner in evaluation, and I have learned a lot from observing all the speakers. Actually, it seems that everybody answered the question to some extent, and I will start with Mohsen. Mohsen answered the questions. The self-confidence and the voice modulation was very good. The only improvement area of improvement is just stopping crossing the hand like this. I think it's necessary, and you all did it. Everybody, including Saud, including you crossed the hand, but sometimes it's interrupting. I was watching my table topic speech in Sand Dunes last week on YouTube, and I saw when Waqas gave me this area for improvement at crossing hand, and I view my speech many times, and I think his suggestion was very strong. Crossing the hand sometimes is not is interrupting also the observer and the audience. So now I realized it. When I saw it in some people, not me, I realized it. But when it is on me, sometimes I don't admit that. Very good speech. Very good answer, Mohsen. Omar, I cannot really find any area of improvement. Hardly I can find. Good opening, and he gave good example with his mobile, and also by pointing out to some other sources. Good hand gesture, Omar. I saw it very real, but he's using his hand in a way that helps us. And rarely I find it in people. We sometimes use hand, but they do not help us showing. Sometimes they are interrupting. I saw the hand gesture of Omar was helping us and helping him to make us reach the meaning. Exactly. It seems that even he talked less, his hands are helping to understand what is not said. They are complete. They are indivisible part of his speech. For me, I see it like I see his hand gesture like that. Also, Omar has good voice modulation. I cannot interrupt myself when he is speaking. Myself, this is what about me. Omar is observing our attention. The conclusion he gave us is very wide open. This is the area of control. Very open. We need sometimes to give like Saud. He gave a very strong, clear opinion on the issue. Sometimes we prefer to be vague, to give a big opening, so every audience can adjust it. Saud, good opening, good hand gestures, and what the area of improvement like Mohsen, only just the hand crossing like this. It's very long. I did it myself last speech. Maybe I excuse everybody because there is no lectern when they are speaking like this. I think Mohsen is used to handle the lectern like this. So, for myself, I would suggest to everybody, because we are in evaluation, when you know, stopping at the stage or in front of body, and I discovered this last meeting. I need just really to maintain that my hand are, you know, aligned with my body, not like this, or not like this, or also my legs aligned. This give the other party the ability to understand me. Beside that, eye contact, like when I am watching Mohammad Sajjad, I like watching, and it is mentioned in the interview. Don't put your hand across, don't put, just make them align. Like this. Even though it's not in your pockets, but it should be like this. And if you maintain it, you know, you will motivate the other party to interact with you. But if you leave it, use it more than enough, then it interrupts. This is for me and others. Sajjad, everything is okay. The area of improvement is distributing the eye contact. Yeah. You have eye contact to an area and the other area needs you. You need to watch everybody and give him eye contact. I will conclude with the Tony. I think there is one. His name is Abdullah. Abdullah you gave an example, and one thing is about it is that you give the best thing about your speech is you give it as example or from the point of view what in it for me. What doesn't mean the creativity for me? What doesn't mean hard work for me? And you gave example, if it is you, what are you going to do? You didn't give an opinion. And this is good, sometimes it's good in talking about something. And people will believe you when you are talking about yourself, but when you are talking about an opinion, you are not sure about it, people will not be believing you. This is the most strong thing about your speech. One area of improvement is calm down. Just calm down. Regarding Tony, really is one of those who it is very hard to find an area of improvement. You know, you are like you are a senior member, and good hand gesture. You really took our attention, and I cannot really find an area of improvement. It is very hard for me to find it. I didn't find an area of improvement. Keep one area of improvement is keep this faith with you and this